California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California, southwestern Clark County in southern Nevada, until 5:15 p.m. PDT. At 2:12 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Radar estimates that 0.75 to 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches per hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chima, Mitchell Caverns, Kelso, Mid-Hills Campground, Hole in the Wall Campground, Black Canyon Equestrian Campground, Nipton and Evampa Roads, Mountain Pass, Nipton, Essex and Nipton Road Mile Marker 3.